Blessings.
Now my team, own brothers I ride with, though I got no whip. Brothers we scheme, tryna cuff a bad bitch, suckers like skin short.
So today I actually got my first ever pair of Jordan 14s to open with you guys, and bro, like I've been waiting. Like, if you know me, I have been counting down the days to these crepes. Now, if you've been living under a rock, or didn't bother to read the title of this video, you're probably thinking, Shay, what the hell 14s are these then? Well, these are the Aleali May 14s. I'm probably saying her name wrong, like I ain't gonna lie, but that's what it is. And it's a perfect segue actually for me to tell you guys to go catch my second episode I did with the guys on the SWO podcast. It's always blessed with them, so I want you to go run that up and go check that out, because we're actually talking about these crepes here. Yeezy day, sneakers day. I think we went on a little Space Jam tangent. So if you're into crepes and all that stuff, link will be in the description, so go check that out. Alright, so back to the catchphrase of your first look is always my first look on this channel. As you can see, it's in the box. I had my friend hook me up on SNS on these, because you guys know that I don't catch L's, I live L's. I don't get nothing. So bless up for the hookup. We finna get into it. Bro, my man patting the thing here, innit? FedEx ain't stealing my package. Not when it's like this, bro. They like, nah, I can't be bothered. Take a next one. Am I opening this a dumb way? I am, aren't I? No one comment how I should be opening this. The box right here is nice. Like, I'm giving full ratings right now just on the box alone. Obviously, you got her name on the front in that nice like calligraphy style, joined up shit, you know, back in the day school shit. So you got that on there. Gold little Jumpman on the front. Always has a little, like, what it is. My size, got a size 5. And we got a nice A on the back also. It's nice. Like, it's nice, and I don't even want to talk about it really, because I just want to get in and look at these crepes, because I know they're going to be peng. I was doing my research earlier, because I was like, I don't want to look like a dickhead and say her name wrong, even though I probably said it wrong. And I seen someone's little sneak peek with this gold paper, and I was like, oh, damn, like, I wanted my first look, like, come on, bro. But it's cool, nice little, like, gold. It goes with the colorway and everything. For some reason, it reminds me of Christmas. I don't know, Christmas wrapping paper or wrapping up the turkey or something. That's kind of the vibe. It's quite, I don't know. But anyway, let's get in. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, nah. I'm leaving, innit? I'm actually leaving right now. Bro. Look at that. Look at that. Are you shitting me right now? Nah.
8 hours later.
Are you shitting me? Are you shitting me, bro? Oh, that's peng. That feels like butter. Oh my days. I've got to take a minute. 1 second. I'm gonna come back in it.
Now my team, own brothers I ride with, though I got no whip. Brothers we scheme, tryna cuff a bad bitch, suckers like skin short.
So welcome to my channel. We just unboxed my new favorite crepe, period. Okay, let's go. Let's get into some details here. I don't even know where to start. So the toe box here is a nice smooth suede joint. We've got the Jumpman at the front. It kind of goes into these side panels here, which is the same material, but it's a lot rougher. I actually don't know how they do that. Maybe if you know, like, let me know below. But it's fly. We've also got the Jumpman actual joint here on the side. This on this side doesn't really have much. It's just, it is that. Now I know that the thought process behind this crepe was a lot to do with her family and paying homage, and I know that these green accents here are all about kind of like that jade material, mineral rock. You know what I mean, innit? I ain't a scientist, you know what I mean.
Are you stupid or something?
But apparently that was a gift from her grandmother, is in the form of a bangle, and it's meant to represent fortune, and that's why these are the fortune pack. So that's why we got the green on there. The gold accent also. Bro, this is just pengers. They've got some mesh down here that I'm gonna have to zoom in on. I actually don't know why that's there. It might be for breathability or something. I don't really know what the purpose is, but I just want to give that a shout there because some of you might know in it. Some of you are hella smart out there and you finna let me know. On the tongue, we've got a pretty much standard, but then we've got this nice like jade Jordan on the front here. We've got these laces and we've also got spare laces that kind of match that suede. I don't know, I'm feeling the black. I think I quite like the mix of the two. On the heel, again, we've got a nice just Jordan brand wording on the back. And then on the sole here, we've got some good like grip here. We've got that it's a 14, more gold, more Jumpmans, because we always need more Jumpmans in it. So, but these are pengers. If you caught an L on these, like, I mean, I caught an L. My homie didn't catch an L, but if you didn't manage to get a pair of these, like, I kind of feel sorry for you in it. Like, I feel like you need these. Like, I rough like you need these. A 14 is a slept-on crepe, and I can't even chat because I ain't never had no 14s. But when I seen these, I just knew that they were buff, and I'm impressed. Like, if I want to give you a gas rating right now, you know I never give a 10. But I'm gonna give you a strong 9, maybe even a 9.5, like, for real. Like, clocked another detail in here actually. So on the laces, we've got these little gold joint. I don't know what the end caps are called for laces. Again, this is gonna be educational video. Just keep dropping me knowledge down below in it. But we've also got her signature on the inside sole. I don't really like taking my soles out. I know some people do, but I don't like messing with it. But yeah, you can see inside that it's got her signature on here. I feel like this is a good crepe, and I can't believe that I actually saw this sitting on sneakers for a while. I know a lot of it got sold out, but there were sizes left and they were on there for a minute, so I was actually really surprised because there was a lot of chat about these. As you can tell, I can't put this down. So, oh shit, I keep catching details on these. Yeah, this reminds me of my old school videos I did back in the day when they were hella messy because I was just gassed, and you can tell that I'm gassed. We've also actually got the 14 on the reverse side here of the Jordan. Mad, complete madness, bro. Complete madness. Last two crepes that I unboxed on this channel, I think you can kind of tell I liked them, but I wasn't on that type of time. But when you see me with this, that's when you know. That's when you know Shay's like, nah, I ain't playing games no more. Alright, so I tried on the crepe. Feels blessed, feels comfy, feels nice, feels true to size. It gets a tick in every box. Every box, bro. I need to bring more 14s back because why isn't this silhouette hype? It's nice. Like, it's proper nice. I don't understand. I feel like they need to bring this back. So, I don't know, start a petition, GoFundMe, bring back the 14s, innit? Because I'm converted. These are my first pair and I am fully converted. Get me to the church of 14s now. So this channel is just about enjoyment, opening crepes, looking at ish together. I might not be the most knowledgeable, but I'm learning and I'm trying to learn. But yo, I'm just a fashion bitch. I can't lie. Like, I don't know the most about everything, but what I do know is what's fly, and that's what I'm bringing you every time. Yeah, my aim is to bring you the heat, and this is hot. Hey yo, so thanks for joining me today to open up these crepe. Gas. I'm gonna be on a hype one all day. Nobody call me. If anyone calls me today, yeah, boy, they just getting banged in their face because I don't care. Like, I feel like I could do anything when I got some new fly crepes in it. So anyway, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, comment, come chat to me on IG. I feel like I'm a nice girl to come chat with. Let's talk about crepes, fashion, whatever. Peace, love, always. Catch you in the next one. Peace.